So we're just going up to the first floor now. I'll show you exactly the changes that we're doing. So I've already showed you bedroom 1 and bedroom 2. This is now bedroom 3 here. As before, 5 frames are in. Come on in, bedroom 3. You will see this is not the biggest room in the house, it's probably the smallest one we're going to do. But we always forward plan, so we look where the plugs go, where the radiators go, where the space for the ensuite, where the door opening for the ensuite. Always forward plan. Is it good putting a bed here? No, it's not wide enough. So we put a radiator under the window. We're going to put a convection radiator to get the heat out. It's not a big bedroom, so it won't need a big radiator. So bedroom 3 is a really big ensuite. You see really tidy pipework. You can see exactly where things are going. If you weren't aware, just have a quick look around, check the surroundings. You can literally see 2 pipes here. That straight away shows you that'll be a shower mixer tap. It'll be tiled all the way around. So now I'm in the shower. You'll see sink, radiator, and toilet will be down there. So you can see straight away where everything will be going. That's bedroom 3. I'll show you some little change. I have shown on previous videos, but I will show again on this one. The original door for this bedroom was there, but it didn't work for the layout of where we needed it. So come on through, this is bedroom 4. We pulled all the lath and plaster out. Bedroom 4 is here. Come on in, it's a bit of a mess. But you can imagine originally the door frame was here. So putting this here, putting the ensuite there, it couldn't work just because of the size. You couldn't put no bed in. So now you come in the door, the bed, 4-foot bed here. We'll have a set of drawers over there for a TV. We can have a wardrobe and a bedside, or bedside this side. Doesn't really matter, but now it's formed. You can literally see from last week's video, the plastering is well underway. Have a look around. Most walls are done, ceiling's done. So we're in the ensuite. I was questioned last week regarding what board do we use in the ensuite. Aqua board, whatever it may be, soundproof. So a lot of the time we do use aqua board. We have been notified by the builder that they can use standard white plasterboard. They can skim it with not a PVA glue, but the alternative to make the plaster waterproof. Then they can tile on top of the plaster. But in bedroom 4, come on in, have a look. You'll see on your left is a toilet. And what we've done, we've actually built out the back of the toilet. There will be a back to wall system. We've got a sink in the middle. We always walk in, sink centre, shower left or shower right. The opposite side can be the toilet. So where Owen is now, he's standing in the shower. It's been fitted, it's been siliconed. Remember, shower, silicone, test, tile, silicone. So always look to double silicone all your shower trays, just in case anything falls through the bottom. So I'll look around, I'll look at the shower tray. You will already see shower in, been tested, silicone, ready for tiling. We'll go through to bedroom 4. So these staircases, these have been signed off by building control. And they've been signed off as existing, so they don't need changing with building control. So originally, if you can remember, the door frame was here. And I did say we're moving the frame to here once that has been signed off. You can see the door frame's been moved because they are happy with that. And now this creates a hallway for the big bedroom 5. We've got a plug down there. They can use hoovers or whatever they want. Storage cupboard basically. Under that staircase will be fireboard. Remember, under staircases, any fire protected route will need fire protection. And talk to your building control officer what they want. Someone wants 30 minutes, someone wants a 1 hour protected route. So bedroom 5, really big. Same again. Look at all the plaster. Ceiling's done. Most of the walls done. 1 wall left. This will be getting done next week. It's already been taped, ready. Still a bit damp actually, so it might have been in this morning. So that will get done next week. We are putting the correct fire system in, which is this red wire here, just because it's not only ground and first floor, as I said, basement is accessible, ground, first and loft. So it's a 4-storey building really, taking everything into account. Anything in Stoke-on-Trent at the moment, checking your local guidelines what they need, but anything ground and first, anything extra, will need this fire panel in. So all of ours, I can talk all day about this, but every single one's the same. You walk in, sink to the middle, shower or toilet either side. Have a look in there, right? Shower to the left, you'll have a sink in the middle, toilet to the right. We're being able to box all the pipework in on the right hand side. Happy? So let's go up to the lofts now. We'll walk straight up. We'll include this in this video. So we'll walk up. It should be a quick exercise showing you up there. So be careful, there's stuff on the staircase. So always remember, walking around the building site, do close your pockets because you end up having a dirty phone dropping in dirt. So yeah, as I said before, nothing's happened here yet. We are prepping now. We've had the good sunshine, the rain Saturday and Sunday this week, but we are prepping to try and get the scaffolding around the building, take the roof off and get this section all sorted. As I said, both sides are getting extended all the way across. This will be an ensuite. We're going to build this up. It's going to be level with this section here. So it's all, it won't be all usable floor area, but it gives a perception of an even bigger room. Stoke-on-Trent, the councils allow 1.5 metres of head height. So for example, let's just say for argument's sake, under that beam is 1.5 metres and under the beam the other side is 1.5 metres. The council will measure the 1.5 head height, then they will take the square and add up the usable floor area. Obviously, as you can imagine, most councils are taking on the government standards of 6.52 square metres per bedroom, not including the ensuite. But our council do include fixed wardrobes. But this room will be 10 square metres as a minimum, so more than enough. Nice space, really great. I can't wait to get this roof section started. So thank you for tuning in. Any questions or comments, do please comment below. Also, if you haven't subscribed, do subscribe to keep on track with these. I am doing these every single week, showing you updates. I am also going to be uploading the 10 flats to 13 very shortly, so stay subscribed for that. I am going to go to the nightclub as well, show you the absolute nightmare what I'm having at the moment, but we are overcoming it. So stay tuned, don't forget to subscribe, and I'll see you next time.